Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I will show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. So to begin, we want to shut off the device, so let's pull down the notification panel and choose the power options and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration. And once it's off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of these keys at the same time. So power, volume up. And when you see the Samsung logo, you can let go. And should be now in the recovery mode. From here you will use volume keys, so volume down to go down and volume up to go up. And you want to select wipe the cache partition right here and confirm it with power key. Once more select yes and confirm. And from here you should see a dialog box with the last entry being cache wipe complete. So all you need to do now is press power key to reboot system now. And you can see that we're back in Android. So that is how you would wipe cache partition on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.